A special Rakhi Purnima awaits more than 1 crore women in Odisha as the state government prepares to release the 5th installment of the Subhadra scheme on August 28. Deputy Chief Minister Pravati Parida has announced that the Subhadra money will be disbursed on Raksha Purnima during a state-level ceremony in Nayagarh. The 5th installment will be provided to eligible beneficiaries under the scheme, bringing financial assistance to women across the state. The government has also announced relief for eligible beneficiaries who were left out earlier. According to the announcement, such beneficiaries will receive all 5 installments together, allowing them to get the pending financial assistance in one go. Women who have applied by August 28 will receive the Subhadra money as per the announcement. With more than 1 crore women expected to benefit, the August 28 disbursement is set to be a major state-level event. For thousands of women awaiting their installment, Rakhi Purnima could therefore bring an important financial boost through the Subhadra scheme.
कोटिएरु ऊर्ध्व महिला को सुभद्रा मिलिबो सुभद्रा एथर 28 तारीख रक्षाबंधन दिन मिलिबो स्थान नयागढ़ हबो एपर्यंत सुधा जो माने आमे कहिथिले जो कट ऑफ डेट थिला 28 तारीख सुधा जो माने जिला स्तर रु आम पाखक आसीथिबो आमे तांकू एथिरे नुआ भाबे दबु जो सुभद्रा रे सबुठु भलो होची किछि लॉस हबार नाही जदि प्रथम एप्लिकेंट हेथिबो आ एबे एलिजिबल होथिबो से 5टा किस्ती एका बेले के पाइबे।